Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. This is an updated video on how to track events and custom conversions on Meta Ads through the Meta Ads Pixel. Before we go straight to the point, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. So you want to track events on Meta Ads. Step number one, you need to navigate to either your Facebook Business Manager, so business.facebook.com, or to your Meta Business Suite. Some people say my interface looks different, that's the Meta Business Suite. Regardless of whether you are going to go to Meta Business Manager or Business Suite, what you need to do is to go to Events Manager. So what you're going to do with the Business Manager is click on the Tools mega menu and you need to navigate to Events Manager. If you can't find Events Manager, it is under Advertise. So under Advertise, here you see Events Manager. Now, if your interface looks like this, again, you click on All Tools. If you can't see the Events Manager up here, under Advertise, you are going to go and find the Events Manager, or you're going to click on the link in the description and you're going to navigate straight to this place. Step number one, we are going to go to data sources here. Very important, you need to make sure that you are in the right place, especially if you are managing many business manager accounts. So on the top right hand side, click on the drop down menu and make sure you are under the right business. Very important. So now that we are in the right business that we're going to use for this example, we're going to select the pixel that is already installed in the back of our website. And let's start by creating events. What we're going to do is we're going to click here on the Add Events button and we're going to say Add New Integration. We're going to select the Meta Pixel, we're going to click Setup, and we're going to say Event Setup Tool. And we're going to click Get Started. Now, we are going to click on Open Event Setup Tool. And what we need to do is we need to paste the URL where whatever we want to track lives. For example, let's say that we want to track how many people click on this button. So I'm going to copy the URL. I'm going to come here, I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to click on Add Events. Now what the system will do is it will open my website and you will see this box floating on the left hand side. And I'm going to say I want to track a new button. So we're going to click here on Track a New Button. You're going to select which button you want to track now that everything is grayed out. So for example, Browse Courses. Now we're going to label this event. So what is this event about? Is it an add to cart? Is it that somebody initiated checkout when he clicks on this button? Or is it simply that maybe we're going to say view content? Every time that people click on this button, we don't make any revenue, so don't include value, and we are going to say confirm. And now you're going to see a little check next to this button. Similarly, now you can track any button on any page. All you have to do is to give the URL to the Event Setup Tool, open the page, click on Track a New Button, select the button, label the event type, and confirm basically here. So once you are done, you're going to say I want to finish the setup, and that's it. We're going to skip here the feedback. That's how you can track events through the Meta Pixel. Now let's say that we want to track thank you pages. We want to track visits to, let's say, the contact page. We want to track how many people go to the pricing page. This is what we call a custom conversion. How we do that? Once we're here in the Event Manager, we click on Custom Conversions from the left hand side. We're going to say, let's create a new custom conversion. We're going to name the new custom conversion. So let's say, thank you page form submission as an example. And we're going to select the data source, in this case, the pixel that is on the site. And what we need to do here is to make sure that we give the conditions. When is this custom conversion happening? This custom conversion is happening when the URL contains, for example, slash thank you, or slash contact, for example, or slash pricing. You can give multiple conditions. You can also click the plus symbol here and you can play around with contains, doesn't contain type of conditions to make sure that you specify exactly when this action is happening. And the next thing that you need to do is to simply click on create, and your new custom conversion will be listed here under custom conversions. What this means is that from this moment onwards, you will be able to track these events and these custom conversions in your Meta Ads Manager, and B, you will be able to use these actions as optimization goals for your Meta Ads. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful, and have a great day in any time zone.